How to edit a selection as a layer in Affinity Photo. Go to the Layer menu and create a new layer. Go to the Select menu and then Edit Selection as Layer. The layer will go red. What you now need to do is apply a brush stroke or some pixel design. Now I'm just going to go over here to the brushes. Just going to select brush, one of the spray brushes. Set the colour to white. You can do that via the colour panel. And also go over here to the brush tool. Make certain you've got the paintbrush tool selected. And then apply. And you can see the splatter brush there. You can continue to edit the selection. You can go to Filters, Blur and Gaussian Blur, or any of the other filters. Click Apply. Once you're happy with your selection, go to Select and Edit Selection as Layer. Deselect, and there's your selection. You can add to your selection using the standard tools. Just go over here to the rectangular marquee tool. Go to Add, and that's in the top left, and just add to the selection. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you very much.